In chapter 17, we have a lot of juicy information about the plot. The trial is really getting underway now. The name of the prosecutor, the one who is prosecuting or against Tom Robinson, is Mr. Gilmer. All right, Mr. Gilmer calls up Mr. Heck Tate, that is the sheriff, remember, to testify, and he releases the information that basically no doctor was called right on the scene, right? No doctor was called at all. And Mr. Heck Tate kind of just gives the generic police report, right? And also Heck Tate reports, right, that the side of Mayella's face that is hurt is the right side of her face. Okay, the right side of her face. Which means, right, that let's just say that somebody was punching me and they were facing me, right, that the person that punched Mayella has to be punched with what hand? Left hand, right? Okay, so keep that in the back of your mind the entire time, right? So Bob Ewell gets called to the stand, and he's very rude on the witness stand. You know, he's kind of just trying to please the crowd and make jokes, and Judge Taylor warns him a couple times, right? I'm not going to be having you acting like that in my courtroom, right? So Bob Ewell kind of explains the situation, and then Atticus asks him a couple of questions. And what is Atticus really getting at here? Atticus ends up asking him to write his name, all right? And Bob Ewell ends up writing with his, guess which hand? Left hand, right? So what Atticus is hinting at here at the end of his examination is that it could be possible, ladies and gentlemen, that it was not Tom Robinson who, beat up and then eventually raped Mayella, but it could have actually been her own father, Bob Ewell. Okay, but, the audience is not convinced of that yet, and Atticus is going to have to try and prove his point even more in the upcoming chapters. Okay?